Hey guys, so today we will be learning how to format based on logical values in Excel. So let's get started. So this is your Excel and you want to highlight some of the values which are of a particular dimension or a value. Okay, so what you need to do is just select the column or the rows which are there, click conditional formatting, highlight cells, and then you can select if you want greater than, less than, between, equal to, or it contains some value. That's a big select equal to. Okay, now you can select any value over here. You can select 1 2 3 or any value over here. So if you can see over here, it is getting reflected. You can see the preview over here. Okay, and once you select it, and over here you can change the color which you want the given highlighted value to be highlighted in case the value suffices the requirement. You can also change it via this option. There are different options over here which you can also check out. Okay, so for the timing I will select this and click OK. So you can see wherever one is there, they are having pink color highlighted over there, and this value or this functionality is dynamic. So let's say if I change it to 2, it won't highlight again. So if I change 4 to 1, it will get highlighted again. So that is one of the best feature of Excel which should be used. So let's say now we have another area wherein you have a bigger number and you want to format or take out only those bunch of records which are the top 10 performer or top 10 gross earners of the data which you have collected. So you can select top 10 items. So you can see the preview over here. Same way you can select top 10 or top 10 percentage, bottom 10, above average, below average in a similar way. So let's say I'm taking top 10 and select OK. So if you see, the value gets highlighted over here. So these are the options which you can always check out. And in the next video, we'll learn about database. Okay. So if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.